Craving warm apple pie but don't have time to bake a whole one? This apple pie mug cake is cozy, gooey, and ready in just minutes. It's the perfect single-serve treat when you're craving something sweet late at night. With soft cinnamon apples and a fluffy cake base, it tastes just like homemade apple pie in a mug. Let's whip it up. In a small microwave-safe bowl, add 3 tablespoons of finely chopped apple, half a teaspoon of butter, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, and half a teaspoon cinnamon powder. Coat the chopped apples generously with cinnamon, making sure every piece is covered in that warm spice. Microwave for about 40 to 50 seconds until the apples are soft and caramelized. Set aside. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a quick mix so the dry ingredients are evenly combined. This helps the baking powder spread evenly, so your mug cake rises perfectly and stays fluffy. Now add 3 tablespoons of milk, a 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir well until you get a smooth batter with no lumps. Make sure everything is fully combined for a silky batter that will bake evenly and stay soft inside. Fold all of the apple mixture into the batter, ensuring every bite is filled with soft, cinnamon-coated apples. If you want to take it to the next level, in a small bowl, mix half a teaspoon of cold butter, 1 tablespoon of flour, half a teaspoon of brown sugar, and a pinch of cinnamon. Use your fingers to mix and break it into tiny crumbs. Look at that perfect crumbly texture. Soft, buttery, and ready to add a crunchy topping to our mug cake. Gently sprinkle the crumble over the mug cake, covering every inch for that golden, crunchy topping. Microwave the mug cake for about 75 to 90 seconds, depending on your microwave. And there you have it, a rich, bakery-style apple pie mug cake. Gooey apples, warm cinnamon, and all the comfort of apple pie in a single mug. Try it today and let me know your favorite topping.